This is an 18th century carved statue said to be of St. Francis. It was recently damaged in transit. The head had broken off the body, a few chips on the arms. Look at the detail of the carving. You can almost see the skeletal structure. The head has the original glass eyes. They almost seem to follow you as you walk past it. The first step is to remove all the old traces of the old hide glue that was used to assemble it. I'm using sandpaper and a Dremel tool to remove the old glue. I'm applying white glue and attaching the head to the body. Carefully, I use a rubber mallet to tap it into place. I'm going to use a few smaller wood clamps to secure the head to the body. I noticed a hairline crack where the arm meets the body, and I'm rubbing white glue into the arm, which should harden that up. A piece of masking tape is used to pull the arm taut and create a mild clamping. We'll allow the glue to dry overnight. The next day, I'm adding pigment to putty to get as close to the flesh color as possible. I'm rubbing it into the hairline cracks still left from the damage. Now this putty is water soluble, so the next day, when that's dried, I'm going to dampen a rag and carefully remove the excess putty without any sandpapering. I'm going to begin touching up to fine-tune the color match around the neck. A clear shellac is used to fume across the touch-up to enhance the color and to blend in the finish. When that's dry, I'm using fine steel wool to rub down the sheen to make it all match. The repairs are now complete.